YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, the Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see what I'm dealing with today, man? Yo, I saw a little thing going on social media, you feel me? With Najeeriii and Eddy G. And I saw, well, I ain't see what exactly. All I saw was Eddy G's reply. It was like, yo, should him reply and rate it, making fans them know, fans if making know if you need to kind of to one jogging one if you jog down some boy. So I didn't think nothing was really gonna turn out from it, but apparently Najeeriii dropped a song. Apparently it's a diss to Eddy G called Big Mac. Apparently he dropped this shit like what 7 hours ago, gang? 9 hours ago. You feel me? Apparently it's a diss to Eddy G. So we gonna check it out and see what I got. Yeah, man. Oh shit, dancehall might be nice again. You see me? I say, especially on new blood clean, a new school, for the younger generation. Okay, this shit might be nice. Let's see what I got. Najeeriii, Big Mac. I see some comments in the. I see some comments was like, yo, then they rate Eddy G. But you see, but he might go past in place. Eddy G should have known in place. Remember, say him did unknown one at a time. Welcome to my nephew contender. Welcome back, Najeeriii, me artist. You see, so I'm like, yo, okay, this is a diss. Alright, gang, let's check it out. Let's see what I do with Najeeriii, Big Mac. Before we jump in it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, help your boy out. Road to 10K, road to 20K, 25K, 50K, 100K, million. Help me. Hit the like button. Help your boy all up in stress. You don't know the code over it. I'm all in stress, man. Hit the like button. Let's jump right in. Najeeriii, Big Mac. Let's get it, gang.
Didn't show some boys said them not bad.
I show some boys said they not bad. Okay.
Roll out with the 16, show some boys said them not bad. Them a chat up them out and talk about guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I cut that how we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just.
Yeah, weird. How can that how we run Portmore like they're on a track, blood?
Like a map.
Weird. Go on, you.
Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map. Load up a clock. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack. Them want beef it coming fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out. So we spinning in black.
If I say they want beef it coming fries and up. This are fucking Big Mac, dude. Hey, be like on Najeeriii, I jump. Hey, yo, you'd. Yes, man. That's all nice.
Didn't show some boys said them not bad.
Say man, show some boys said they not bad.
Roll out with the 16, show some boys said them not bad. Them a chat up them out and talk about guns for them not have. We got
Buckley, man, say you chat for your mouth, Eddy G, and you know no guns where you talk about guns where you don't have. Yeah, him sis one.
by the boatloads and
Buckley.
the bombs come in the van. I cut that how we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map.
Eddy G, man, say you come like you see and bold, brother, when you come at Portmore. They man say you do 9 seconds or less, you don't stay around, you don't run nothing, you run round.
Like a track, vibe them out just like a map. Load up a clock, them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack, them want beef.
They want smoke, they getting popped. Like pop smoke. Yo, the boy, that's everybody.
Attack, them want beef, it coming fries, this are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out, so we spinning in black. Them a fag, cloud bag, shotty walking with the rifle bag.
Man say man go spin your black youth, man say you are rated, hey. You're not back.
Them a fag, cloud bag, shotty walking with the rifle brawling and no prop. Digging out the shot, them out the ground just like a crab. Them things I'm a car, but I'm fucking head mad.
Them things I'm a car, man, mad dot. Hey man say you are baby with it, go on.
Fucking head mad, pana knock, man a cap. Talk said them a this and that, oh God bro, stop it cap. Enough guns like Iraq, we got everything with them lock. Chip like lift up like a frack, I'm in a itch, we kill a man. Roll out with the 6.
Some boy that cap at about this and that when they not got.
Clock lift up like a frack, I'm in a itch, we kill a man. Roll out with the 16, show some boy clock. Them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pants
I
at
say I get pop like pop smoke. Yo, G's and P's. Najeeriii be yourself. You want to say you run Portmore, bro. You want to say you saying Bolt to Stafford Powell, Johan Blake when it comes to Portmore. You want to say you don't run nothing. You run round stuff around here, man. Yes, man.
them want beef, it come with fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out.
Man, say you want beef got McDonald's youth and a Big Mac this. They want to come with fries, high-end fries too. You see fries them where come with? 5 pint, 7.62. Bro, bone and mash up flesh.
So we spinning in black. Barrel a shot, a map blood bar. M16, and if I just ride, walk with the pan, cut the extender done fast. Clip that like what? Send them to the mall. Them do
Clip that like a wall, yo. Jeez, I'm gunshot for days.
what? Send them to the mall. Them do why? Them just attack. You should have careful you fuck when you pick your card. Go bad like yard. Fucking up a yard and a brad. Man, roll out with the 16 show some boys say they're no
Bad. Them are, hey, yo, Najeeriii. Yeah, man. The first time I see Najeeriii in our war settings, I like when you roll out.
Them a charge at top them out a tap gun for them no have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I cut that out, we run Portmore with them run like a track. Vibe them out just like a map. Load up the clock, them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pants attack, them want beef, it coming.
Pants attack you, I want you. Easy as
Fries,
that.
this are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out, so we spinning them in
Block.
black.
Jano, Eddy man say man spin your black you.
So now I cut that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Be a Bomba class bench.
Boo. Jeez and peace. That is it. Najeeriii ready for you are, man. For the first track, first time I see dog in a war settings and that's the dog job, the dog ready for the road. The dog ready for the road, man. Yes, man. Najeeriii, me like it. Eddy, where you go deal with? Eddy, where you deal with? Man, you focus, man. Focus. They must focus now. Because we gotta get this shit in 4K. Eddy, where you deal with? Eddy, I'm here to talk to you, know. Come here, Eddy. Come on. What reason, Eddy? What go on, Eddy? Where you deal with? Najeeriii, we're not wicked, you know. I'm kind of like it, G. Where you deal with? You have to answer back, man. I have to come correct too. Because Najeeriii for in a war mode. And Najeeriii not deal with no bumbo clean. You know, look at him come savage. The one at the first, this I first you and him come correct. Him come calm and deadly on the one. You see me? Roll off with him, show some pussy, they're not bad. They not have. You see, I'm liking it. The beat bad, the flow bad, you see me, deliver bad. I like it. First track in the war. Oh shit. Najeeriii, big up yourself. I'm here for you, gang. Let me know if you want to hear more of this. If you want to follow up the war, let me know in the comment section. Like the video if you want me to follow up the war. You see me, I say, let me know if you want to see more. You see me, I'm going to keep track of this one again because, yo, this development is crazy. You see me, I say, gang, let me know anything in the comment section. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.